ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో NBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning. Welcome to Python programming class. In this class we will see looping statements or iteration statements in Python programming. The iteration statements in Python programming are for loop and while loop. In detail we will see the session about for loop and while loop. Okay, before doing this one we have to understand about the range function in Python. We will see about what is range, how it will work. Then we will go for looping. In for loop, we use range function. Range is a built-in function in Python. It is used when a user needs to perform an action for a specific number of times. Range in Python 3.x is just renamed for the version of a function called xrange in Python 2. The range function is used to generate sequence of numbers. Okay, what is range function? In Python 3, we will use range function. In Python 3, we will use range function. The purpose of the range function is to generate sequence of numbers. Various possibilities, we will see various types of uses of range function. Okay, here this is the range function. Class 8 range. It generates the numbers range of 40. Of 45, range of 45. It will generate the numbers from the sequence 0 to 0, 0, 1, 2 up to 44. Not 45, not 45 up to 44. The function range of 45 generates the numbers from 0 to 44. Suppose it is like this, range of 1, 20. Okay, this function, the range of 1, 20 generates the numbers. The starting number is 1 or to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 19. 19 numbers will be generated. The range function, range of 1 to 20 generates the numbers from 1 to 20. Suppose it is like this, range of 5, 15, 3. Okay, for this function, if we use the range function like this, means it will print the values. The starting value is 5. Next it is incremented by 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 3, 11, 12, 13, 14. 15 is there up to 15. We will get the values. We will use the range of 4, 15, 3 means it will print the values 4, 8, 11, 14. Like this. In this fashion, we will use the range. It will work for negative values also. Range of minus 10, minus 1. Range of minus 10, 1. What values it will printed? Lowest to highest value. First minus 10 is printed. Next one minus 9, minus 8. Up to which number it will be printed? Minus 3, minus 2. Not minus 1. Not the last number. Like this, for negative values also it will be printed using the range function. Okay, here also increment will work. Range minus 10 comma minus 3. Which one is lowest? Lowest number is minus 10. Next one minus 3. I want to increment 2 at a time. Okay, what values it will generate? The first number it will be generated is minus 10. Next number minus 10 plus 2 minus 8, minus 8 plus 2 minus 6, minus 6 plus 2 minus 4, 2. Okay, 2 it is not in the range up to minus 2, minus 10 to minus 2, every number is incremented by 2. Okay, these are the values generated by this function. Okay, it is possible to generate from lower number to higher number, but we have to take care about writing lower number to higher number. Suppose here I am written minus 3, comma minus 10. Okay, I am generating minus 3 to minus 10. Actually minus 3 is higher number. Okay, next is lower number. Okay, in this situation the increment must be negative. Minus 3 to minus 2, the increment must be negative. Then it is possible to generate the numbers from lower number to higher number also. Minus 3 will be generated. Minus 3 plus of minus 2 minus, what is the value next? Minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 9. These numbers will be generated. Okay, while writing range function negative, we have to take care about the negative numbers. Next we will see the for loop. This is the syntax for loop in Python programming language. First one, for I will declare temporary variable here in iteration data, iteration data, iteration data, iteration info. For this one followed by iteration data followed by statements using temporary variables. Statement block for loop. This is the syntax for the for loop. For temp variable in iteration info, generally we will write here range function. Range. Okay, statement block for loop. Okay, this is the syntax for loop. Okay, I want to print the numbers from 1 to 100. What is the statement? How I will write in order to print the numbers from 1 to 100? For I in range 100 colon separator tab print I. This will print the numbers from what is the output here. If we write this output means it is starts with 0 comma 0 1 2 3 up to and so on up to 99 it will be printed. Now we will see how this program will work. We will see the first program on looping statements. Okay, just flow4.py previously is there. Just in class 7 it is there. I am saving this as loop 1.py. The name of the file extension must be loop1.py. I am deleting all the data. Looping for loop for variable name I in range of 100, range of 100. Okay, it must be end with separator range of 100 tab button print. Just I am printing the value of I. Print I. That's it. Only two lines in this program. For loop for I in range of 100 print I. Control S. I am running this program. Go to the command prompt. Okay, exit. Okay, I'm moving to D drive, CLS. All our programs are within the folder CD CSE21 Python, CD class 7 CLS. What is the name of the file? Python loop1.py. It will print the values from which number to which number it is generated the values. It is printed the values from all the numbers. Okay, up to 98, 99 is also there. We will see. Okay, up to 99 screen is down. Some down, the other values are there. Okay, it will be printed from values 100. Suppose only I want to print only not up to this number, only 10. Control S, Alt tab. It will generate the numbers 99 up to 99 values are printed. Okay, just 1 second. Yes, some most problem I think. Okay, CLS clear the screen. Now once again I am running the program. For running the program, Python loop. The name of the file is loop1.py. 0 to 9. The values are printed. Okay, this is one way of writing the for loop. Now I am required to print the values from 11, not from 0 to 9, from 1 to 6. I want to print values only from 1 to 6. What are the statements? In order to print the values from 1 to 6, these are the statement. For some x, no need to use always use I. For x, range 3 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means I will write here 8. Colon, separator, tab, print x. Control S, Alt tab. Now I am running the same program. Okay, see, observe here. First time 9 is printed, second time 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3 to 7. In order to print the numbers from 3 to 7, I will use like this. I am saving this file as with another name, save as loop2 loop3.py. Okay, now I want to print the numbers from 1 to 50. Every time I want to increment 1 to 50. Every time I want to increment every number by 5. First 1, next I am expecting 6. Like that. Every time it will be incremented up to 49 it will be printed. 50 means the highest number minus 1. We have to consider highest number minus 1. Control S. The range of starting value, ending value, what is the increment size? Here this is about for loop. The range here, what values we are given in range. The starting value is, the comment can be specified is start, comma, end minus 1 up to here, comma, increment. These are the three parameters we have given. Control S. The name of this file is loop 3. Okay, CLS Python loop3.py. 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11, 16, 21, 26, 31, 36, 41, 46, up to 50 only. That's why next number is not printed, not considered. Okay, in this fashion, we will print the values from 1 to 50 using increment. Control A, Control C. This is the another way of printing the values in Python. Okay, next one we will see negative numbers. Okay, is it work for negative numbers or not, we will see. Okay, in this program only loop 3 I am saving as a file save as loop 4. Okay, in loop 4 I want to print numbers from minus 10, minus 20, comma minus 1. Okay, minus 20 is greater or minus 1 is greater? Minus 1 is larger number, minus 20 is smaller number. Negative. Negative means minus 20 is smaller, minus 1 is larger. This will print the numbers from minus 20 to minus 2 up to minus 2. Control S. Just only two lines. Loop 4. The name of this file is loop4.py. Okay, minus 20, minus 19, minus 18, minus 17, like that. From lower number minus 20 to higher number, not included the last number. The last number end minus 1 will be printed. Suppose I am given here increment as 2. The same program, I am updating the increment. Okay, what will happen? Minus 20, minus 18, like that output will come like this. Alt tab minus 20, minus 18, minus 16. Okay, you will try for both at the time of doing practicals. Do for with increment or without increment. Believe practical knowledge, not theory. So much of theory is their background range function. In initially what X range is their name, next range. All those are not required. Do the practicals in Python 3 version. Okay, as many number of programs like this. Believe practical knowledge. Control A, Control C. I am saving this one on notes. Today I will share these notes to you. Those who want may go through this one also. And okay, this is the one way of printing print statement. Okay, I am expecting to print the values not from this number to this number. I want to print the numbers like this 15, 14, like that. First one 15, 15 to 5. Every time I want to decrement by 1. Here we will take care. Here higher number, lower number means the increment must be negative number. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, loop 4 dot by 15, 14, 13. Okay, these are the different possibilities. 15, 14, 13, 12. It is not only from lower number to higher number to lower number also possible. But we must take care while writing lower number to higher number to lower number. The increment must be negative. Okay, using this statement, we can print the numbers from 15 to 4. Control A, Control C. That's all about for loop. Next, we will see else part is there in for loop. Else. Okay, what is else? We will see. Just I am printing the numbers, not this complicate. Just I am printing the numbers 1, comma 10, 1 to 9. Just I am printing the numbers 1 to 9. Print I. Okay. Okay, this will be print the numbers from which number to which number it will be printed. The starting number is 1, ending number is 9. File save as loop 5. Okay, starting number is 1, ending number is 10. Just I am checking whether it is working or not. Alt tab CLS Python loop 5.py. Okay, it is printed numbers from 1 to 9. Now here we will see another part. Enter at the starting else tab print MVR college. Okay, else block is executed if and only if all this for loop is terminated normally, i.e. that is the for all the statements in the for loop is executed without any problem, then this else block will be executed. Otherwise, the else block is not executed. Okay, here I will say just a normal termination. It prints all the numbers. After that, MBR college will be printed. Okay, the for block is executed, completed normally without any problem. Then the else block is executed. Otherwise, else block is not executed. Okay, now here normal termination is there. Okay, in this problem there is no abnormal termination, so the else block is executed. Loop 5.py, I am saving this file. Just loop 5.py MVR college. All the statements are executed. The for loop, all the statements are executed, followed by the else block is also executed. The else block is executed if all the statements in the for loop are executed normally. Otherwise, the else block is not executed. Suppose we will see some examples. Control A, Control C. I am placing this one in notes. Else, Control V. Next, suppose I am not executing this else block. Okay, if I am writing if statement, if I equal to 3. If I equal to 3, I am here indentation is important. Here break means it will come in this for loop. If I equal to 3, break. Okay, this statement is executed. I equal to 1, print 1. I equal to 2, print 2. I equal to 3 means this break statement executed. Is it for loop is terminated normally? No. Because of the break statement, it is terminated. And that situations, the else block is not executed. Okay. The body of the for loop is terminated abnormally at the middle, not executed completely. In such situations, else block is not executed. This is the one case. Control S, Alt Tab, 1, 2. The else block is not executed. Why? The loop is terminated abnormally. Three cases are there. Else block is not executed. Else block not. Three reasons are there. This is the first reason. Why else block is not executed? Abnormal termination. Control A, Control C, Control V. Okay. Second reason is we will see in the program. This is the second reason for the else block is not executed. What is the second reason? Okay, there is no break statement. Here there is no else statement. Some statement like this, print 5 by 0. Okay, this is the division by 0, invalid statement. Okay, in such situation also this program is terminated abnormally. Division by 0, an error is there. When error is occurred, then it is not executed. Now we will see this one, Control S. The program name is the same, loop 5. Okay, I will open this command prompt, cls. Okay, loop 5.py. Okay, one is printed. The MBR college statement, the statements in the else block is not executed because 0 division error came, division by 0. Okay, this is the second case, else block is not executed in for loop. In for, after completing this for, we will write here else. Okay, it is not in C, it is in Python. Okay, else block is not executed. Second case is when abnormal termination, 5 by 0, division by 0. Control A, Control C. This is the second case. Next, third one. Later it will come. First we will see import OS. I am importing the module OS. Okay. In this OS, one function is there. In this OS package, I am importing the package, not module, package. I am importing the package OS. In this OS package, one function is there, OS underscore OS dot underscore exit of 0. Whenever the statement is executed, OS underscore exit of 0 is executed, the program is terminated abnormally. Okay. Whenever the OS this is executed, OS exit of 0 is executed. This is the function. This is the package. Package contains functions. OS is the one of the package available in Python. Okay, in this package, I am calling one of the function exit of 0. Later units we will get in detail about what is a package, what is a method, how import the packages. We will see later. Okay, OS underscore exit of 0. Control S. Okay, whenever it is called, the virtual machine is down. Once the virtual machine is down, who will execute the else part? Okay, this is the another situation. Loop 5. I am running the same program. Only one is executed. Okay. In such a situations, it is not executed. This is the third case. Okay, another maybe another situations is also there. Among all, these are the important three situations. The else block is not executed. Okay, that's all about the for loop in Python. Once again, I will go through the for loop. The range function we will use to generate iterative data. These are the possible the range function values. Okay, this is the syntax for the for loop. For temp variable in iteration info, the statements for the for loop. Okay, we have seen different ways of printing the values using for loop. For I in range of 100, for I in range 20, lower value, higher value, but not printed the higher value. Range of 100 means up to 99 only printed, not 100. Okay, from starting value to ending value, from starting value to ending value with increment, we have seen different parts. Else part, the else block is executed in a for loop. It is possible to write else part also. If the normally executed for loop, all the statements, all the number of times it is executed, then the else part is executed. If any abnormal termination or any other termination means the else block is not executed. Okay, number of cases are there. Among all the cases, these three are the important cases for else block is not executed in for loop. The first one is break statement. Whenever the break statement is there in for loop executed, the else block is not executed. When division by 0 occurs, the else block is not executed. When OS exit function is called in OS package, exit function is called, the else block is not executed. That's about else for loop in
Next
Python
looping
programming. Next,
statement
we will see
in Python
the while
programming
loop
language
in
is
Python
while
programming
looping
language.
statement. We will see how the while looping statement will work. Just while condition. If condition is true, the body of the statement is executed. We will see the working of while looping statement and some programs on while looping statement. Okay. Next while looping statement, for looping is completed. For next while looping statement. What is the syntax for while loop? While condition, if the condition is true, the body of statements, body of while loop. If the condition is true, body of the while loop will be executed. Condition is false, the body will be just that's it. While entering the body, we will check the condition. If the condition is true, body is executed. Otherwise, the body is not executed. We will see programs on it. I am saving this file as a save as loop 6 loop6.py. I am deleting all, just some I equal to 1. The value of I is 1. While condition I less than 15 colon, here press the tab button. Okay, it is important. In some editors, PyCharm editor, in some editors are there, in PyCharm editor, Atom editor or Edit Plus, some editors are there. At the colon, if we press the enter means it automatically will come at the start of the tab only. In Notepad++, we have manually we press the tab button. Okay. If any spaces is there, the structure must be as per the instructions of the Python. Okay. If not, indentation error will come. Okay. If condition is true, the tab onwards, the statements will be written. While press the tab button, here print statement, print. Print. I will print Srinivas, comma I am also printing I value also. Srinivas I. Next one, I am incrementing the I value. I equal to I plus 1. I value is incremented by 1. Control S. I am saving this file. Alt. I am going to the command prompt. The name of this file is loop6.py. Python loop6.py. Okay, Srinivas 1, Srinivas 2, Srinivas 3, up to 14 it will come. Okay, this is about while loop. Okay, while equal to while condition. Here range function will not work. If we write range means some error will come. Range, range of 10. It will not work here. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Okay, infinite loop. Alt break. Okay, like that infinite breaking statement. Okay, that is looped forever. Once again, I am closing the command prompt. The range function will not work here. We have to write here condition I less than 20 means it will be printed like this. Okay, this is about while loop, syntax of the while loop. Okay, this is the first program we have done in while loop. Control A, Control C. I am saving this file in while. Suppose here I will write like this, not here. I will give some space. What will happen? We will see. Control S. Okay, actually I have to write this one before the print. Just I am given some space here. Okay, then what will happen if I am trying to run this program? CMD command prompt. Go to D drive. All our folders are CSC21 Python folder. CSC21. Next CD class 7. All the programs are available. What is the name of this file? The name of this file is loop6. Loop6.py. I am running loop6.py. Python loop6.py. Okay, equal to indentation error, unexpected indent. Okay, it must be at the starting only here. If we give one in C language, no problem, but here the structure must be as per indentation rules. Okay, if it is true means I equal to I plus 1. Okay, this is about while condition. Condition is true, the statement will be executed. Okay, next program. Write a Python program. Now we will see one program in Python. Write a Python program to print multiplication table. Multiplication table for given number. Write a Python program to print the multiplication table for given number. Okay, we will see this program. I am saving control file, save as table. I am giving the name of this program as table.py. Okay, first we have to read the number m equal to int, convert to integer. For reading integer, input enter table number, multiplication table number. It will be prompted, that will be converted into store in I. Now I am initializing the value of I equal to 1 up to 20. I want to print the numbers from 1 to 20. Okay, this is the print statement. Every time I will be incremented 1. First I am printing the I value, comma. Next one I am expecting capital X into. Next I am printing. Different ways of print statements is there. Go through the details of printing print statement. M, I am printing the M, comma, some space, equal to will be printed, comma. Next one I am printing. What value you have to print here? I into M. I star M. Okay, first 1 into, suppose 5. 1 into 5 equal to 5. 2 into 5 equal to, every time I will be incremented. Control S. Okay, now I am running this program. How to run this program? Go to this clear screen CLS Python. Name of the file is loop.py. Loop1.py. Loop1 or loop? What is the name of the file? This one? Table, not loop. Table.py. Python. Name of the file is table.py. Enter the multiplication table number. I want to print a 5 table. Okay, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, like this up to 19. I am expecting up to 20, not 19, up to 20. What we will do, what change we have to perform here? 21 or I less than or equal to 20, anyone. Control S, Alt Tab. Print the multiplication number 19. This is the 19 multiplication table. In this fashion, we will use the while loop. Okay, this is about while loop. Okay, in while loop, also we can use else block. The same rules apply for loop. 3 cases. First one, break is encountered means it will not work. Suppose same this program, I will write here else. I am writing print statement, print MVR college. When this MVR college will be printed, all the statements in the while loop are executed normally without any interruption. Okay, Control S. I am saving this program. Run this program. How to run this program? Okay, running this program. Python table.py. Enter the table number 4. Okay, MVR college is printed. Else block is executed here. Suppose here I will write the statement like this. If I equal to 10, tab, break. If I equal to 10 means the control comes out of the loop. Okay, in such situations else block is not executed. Control S. Going to this one, once again I am running this program, enter the multiplication table number 7. Only 9 is printed. I equal to 10 means the control came out of the loop. In such situations, it is not executed the else block. When the loop is terminated, not executed completely in such situations, the else block is not executed. Okay, second, 10 by 0. Division by 0. Some number division by 0 means else block is not executed. Suppose here in this program, I will update the change like this. I will change this one like this. Okay, no table.py, no break here. Print 19 by 0. Control S. It will not be executed. Division by 0 error will come. In such situations also else block is not executed. This is different from C language. This type of facility is not available in C language. If the print 19 by 0 means division by 0, in division by 0, it is not executed, the else block. Control S, I am saving running this file table.py. Okay, what type of enter table number? I want to print the table number 10. Okay, it is not printed because 0 by division and else block is not executed. Next, what is the third case? This is the important question exam point of view. In which situations else block is not executed in for and while loop. Okay, OS. If in the body this function appears means it is not executed. Exit of 0. Okay, in the body of the statement if this is appeared means this is not executed. We will see that one also. Okay, in order to use that one, we have to import the package import OS. Later will come details about this one. In the body the statement is there. OS dot, what is the name of the function to terminate the virtual machine? Exit of 0. Control S, Alt Tab. Okay, CLS table to enter the table number 8. Okay, only one line is printed. The virtual machine is terminated. In 3 situations, this while loop is not executed. Okay, similar to for loop. In this situation also, while loop is not executed. Control A, Control C. Okay, these are the situations while loop is not executed. Next, what is the difference between, one of the frequently asked question is, what is the difference between for loop versus while loop? First one, what is the difference between for loop and while loop? The for loop is executed. What is the difference between for loop and while loop? The for loop executed, some list of range of values are available means in that range of values it will be processed. For iterating through the given range of values we will use a for loop. Whereas the while loop, if we check the condition, if the condition is true means body is executed, otherwise the body is not executed. This is about the difference between for loop and while loop. Once again, for loop means if the range of values are there means the loop will be iterate through all the range of values. If the while loop, if the condition is there until the condition is true, the body is executed means the body of the statements in the while loop can be executed. This is the difference between for loop and while loop. Next, transfer statements. 4 transfer statements is there: break, continue, try and return. We will see these 4 statements in next session, and some programs using for loop and while loop. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.